Hi everyone. What makes the Radical Viper truly radical? At first glance, it might not seem obvious. The green hue that coats this beast appears more refined than wild, more elegant than rebellious. But don't be fooled. This is no ordinary paint job. It's an exclusive shade reminiscent of the high-performance AMG models from Mercedes-Benz, luxurious, bold, and rare. And that's precisely the point, radical isn't always loud. Sometimes, radical is refined. This custom machine began its life as a Harley-Davidson Street Bob 114. But what you see now is far beyond factory specs. It has been reborn as the Radical Viper, thanks to an extensive lineup of premium Thunderbike components from our very own Radical Parts series. At the heart of this transformation is the Radical Fork 2.0, a modern reinterpretation of the classic Springer fork. Clean lines, cutting-edge design, and a dramatically improved appearance set it apart from the dust-covered traditions of old-school Springers. It's sleeker, sharper, and undeniably more radical. And it doesn't stop there. The brake caliper and anchor are also part of the Radical line, both aesthetically and functionally matched to our massive 340mm spoke brake disc. These components aren't just for show, they deliver precision stopping power with style. Up top, you'll find the Blade Runner handlebar, a distinctive element of the Radical series. Instead of mounting on risers, it's custom flange mounted directly to the upper triple tree clamp, creating a tighter, more aggressive silhouette that commands attention. To preserve the clean lines of the front end, we've outfitted the Radical Viper with a hydraulic clutch system, eliminating clutter and hiding cables. Our ultra-slim turn signals stripe are seamlessly integrated beneath the handlebar fittings, sleek, subtle, and street legal. Details matter. That's why the grips, forward controls, and shift pegs all feature a satin finish. Not only do they look great, but they also provide a secure, tactile feel, no slipping, no fuss, just pure control. The Radical Viper isn't just a custom bike, it's a statement of exclusivity, precision engineering, and modern design. A street bob transformed into something far more daring. Did we mention the air ride on the Radical Fork 2.0? Yes, this engineering marvel doesn't just look radical, it breathes with the road. The air ride suspension system is seamlessly integrated into the front, allowing the rider to lower or raise the bike at will, delivering not only comfort but commanding stance. But Thunderbike's commitment to detail doesn't end there. At the rear, the Radical Viper boasts our own finely tuned air suspension system, made possible by an expertly executed swingarm conversion, now tailored for a pulley brake setup. Why this change? Because design must also serve vision. By moving the brake disc out of the right-hand field of view, we create an open, uninterrupted line, clean, intentional, uncompromised. The disc and pulley themselves are drawn from our exclusive Spoke series, which harmonize effortlessly with the new Digger bicolor wheels. These aren't just parts, they're sculpture in motion, reimagined by our Thunderbike artisans. And speaking of wheels, forget the factory standards. The Radical Viper rolls forward with pride on an impressive 21-inch front wheel and a bold 18-inch wheel at the rear. Oversized compared to the stock 19 and 16-inch combination. But we didn't stop at size. We widened the rear tire from a modest 150 to a muscular 200mm. It grips the road like a beast yet flows with elegance. Above that hulking tire rests a custom adapted steel fender, hugging its curve like a second skin. Micro taillights are seamlessly integrated, adding modern function without disrupting the timeless form. Just ahead, the leather-covered seat rests atop a hand-shaped steel seat shell, comfort and craftsmanship, perfectly balanced. At the rear, symmetry reigns. Our side-mounted license plate holder, with an internal plate mount, ensures nothing interrupts the visual harmony. No distractions. Just a clean, striking silhouette that demands admiration from every angle. The Radical VIPER's fuel tank, handcrafted from aluminium, ties the entire design together, connecting front and rear with flowing lines and sculpted precision. Above it all, the headlight stands like a sentinel, rugged, shatterproof, and unmistakable. It's not just about being seen, it's about being recognized. Finishing touches come in the form of finely machined torque covers for the ignition and clutch, alongside the elegantly shaped oval airbox cover, each contributing to the VIPER's unbroken lines and aggressive stance. And when it's time to announce your arrival, the Kestech electronically adjustable silencers roar to life with the press of a button. Street legal, yes, but never silent. This is radical. This is exclusive. This is Thunderbike. It's a motorcycle built not just to be ridden, but to be studied, appreciated, and remembered. Its lines don't merely catch the eye, they pull you in. One glance becomes two. Two turns into 10. And still, you won't have seen it all. Because this isn't just custom work. This is the art of transformation, where every curve, every part, and every decision speaks of a higher standard. This is the Radical VIPER. And it's unlike anything you've seen before. Thanks for watching.